Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you keto enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of low-carb, mouth-watering goodness with the Giant Sports Keto Cheesecake Shake Mix. If you're looking for the best cheese for keto, you're in for a treat. This shake mix claims to be a delicious low-carb, ketogenic diet-friendly powder mix that's also gluten-free. Stick around as we uncover the details, flavors, and how it works. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our honest product reviews. Now, let's unbox this keto delight. First impressions count, right? It's neatly packed, making it easy to store and scoop out your servings. Take a look at this beauty. It comes in 3 mouth-watering flavors: New York style, chocolate, and strawberry. Today, we'll be focusing on the New York style flavor. But before we dive into the taste, let's talk about the nutritional details that make this the best cheese for keto. Each serving contains 15 grams of fat and just 4 grams of carbs. For anyone on a keto or low-carb diet, this is music to your taste buds, isn't it? Plus, it's versatile. You can enjoy it as a shake, mix it with almond milk, or even get creative and incorporate it into your favorite recipes. Whether you're craving a quick snack or a guilt-free dessert, this shake mix has got you covered. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the taste test. I've prepared a shake using almond milk, and I can't wait to share my thoughts with you. Wow! The New York style flavor is spot on. It genuinely tastes like a creamy cheesecake, and the sweetness is just right, not too overpowering. It's like having dessert without the guilt. What I love is that you can enjoy this shake in various ways. You can have it as a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even use it as a base for keto-friendly desserts. Let's sum up the pros of the Giant Sports Keto Cheesecake Shake Mix. So, if you're on the lookout for the best cheese for keto, the Giant Sports Keto Cheesecake Shake Mix is a delicious and guilt-free option that's sure to satisfy your cravings. That's it for today's review. If you've tried this product or have any questions, share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, for more honest product reviews, subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay keto and stay healthy.